Rebekah Vardy has thanked the fire services after her family home went up in a horror blaze. The WAG, 40, took to Instagram on Friday to share a sweet snap of her children sitting in the fire engine as she shared her gratitude after the terrifying incident. "Every cloud and all that. Thankfully no one was hurt," Rebekah wrote alongside the photo. "Buildings and contents are replaceable and the kiddies enjoyed the fire engines. Thank you for being so brilliant." Local firefighters were called to tackle a blaze on an outbuilding of Rebekah and Jamie Vardy's plush Lincolnshire mansion on Thursday afternoon. It is believed a fire, which originated from the Leicester City Strikers outdoor gym, was put out by the fire service, but not before major damage was sustained. A statement from the local fire service told Lincolnshire Live, firefighters were called to reports of an outbuilding on fire at premises in Water Lane, Stainby at 3:20 p.m. on January 19. The fire resulted in severe damage to 90% of a wooden outbuilding being used as a gym and the equipment. After Rebekah shared the news of the fire on her Instagram, fans flocked to share their concern. "OMG, thank goodness you are all okay. Sending lots of love," one follower commented. "That's so scary. Hope you're all okay," another wrote. While a third shared, "Oh Rebekah, that's just terrible. Hope you and the family are all okay. Such a scare." The Vardy's luxurious mansion has an indoor pool, a sauna, a tennis court, and a gym. The once 8-bedroom home was given permission to be extended by adding a major 4-bedroom extension in 2020. Last year, the couple submitted plans to build a stable complex on a vast amount of land near their property. Plans include a yard, stables and paddock over a total area of 5,482 square meters. The proposal was described as change of use from agricultural paddock to equestrian, including new stable building and yard for residential purposes only.